After this video, you will start making money with all your videos. You see those videos you post on your page that you're complaining, I'm not seeing money on my videos. Let me show you how to turn your ad on. You're not getting anything on your videos because your ad is turned off on your page. Let me show you how to turn it so that ad will be playing on your videos that will help you to make money here on Facebook. Share this video to 5 groups. Let me take you and show you how to turn your ad for you to make money with all your videos. Let's go. Page this way and click on this menu button. Click on it and click on these settings. Just touch it this way and scroll down this way. You see this place where you see add in content you create. Add in content you create. Just click on it and make sure you turn this button on. Read everything. Make sure you turn it on. Those that monetize the page, if you don't turn this on, ad will not be running on your page. And that ad is what will make you to be making money on your page. Turn it on and share this video so that others will benefit.